the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers that have contributed to raising a child. This is a thankless and often it's a very hard job to do. But there are so many of you that have worked tirelessly to try to raise your children. So this day coming up is your day. And I just want to say thank you for all the wonderful things that you have done to raise your child. This is my VR tribute using OpenBrush. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and watch my whole entire video. And always remember, share it with a friend and come back and see me again. Happy Mother's Day. Well, this video has been 2 years in the making. I started it last year, but then I had to go in for knee surgery and I didn't get a chance to finish it. But I held on to everything that I had with the intention of coming back and reworking it for Mother's Day for 2003. My one thing that I wanted to have as the biggest symbol for this virtual reality drawing was love. And to me, the heart is the #1 symbol of love. If you looked at any of my videos before, you know Mr. Smith loves color, he loves shape. I just love nice, big, flowing, I like bright, exciting brush strokes. And the one thing when I use open brush or tilt brush, I get that. And the one thing that I really get excited about is not just creating these works of art, but being able to go inside and experience the work of art for myself. Sometimes it's like being on a amusement park ride for an artist, where you can go into, as I'm pulling it right now, you can go into one of your works of art and it becomes not just a work of art, but it becomes an environment. And you're going through, walking through your brush strokes, the different colors. Right now I'm using this, it's called Superman mode, where I can like fly through the painting and experience it firsthand. And I'm telling you, I just love doing this. One thing you're also going to notice, especially if you watch this from beginning to end, you'll notice that Mr. Smith lost some weight. So I lost about 30 pounds from last year to this year, and I'm still working on it. So the next part of this, I wanted to introduce mother and child into my hearts. And I played around with them. I wanted them to come through, but I didn't want them to be standing out more than the hearts. I wanted everything to kind of work together. So I used this one brush that is like a neon brush, where it glows and it changes colors. And I just used the silhouette of the child and the mother. And then my next thing was to figure out what exact size and where exactly do I make this placement for this. So I played around with this for a while. But anyway, I need to talk about my mom, because I wouldn't be the person that I am without her. She was very influential to me. My mother was a teacher. I think her being a teacher is part of me becoming one. And I'm at the very end of my career now, and I look back on things, and a lot of things that I do in the classroom, I think it's because of ways that I experienced living with my mother and how she dealt with me and some of the things that I put her through. Anyway, one thing that she would do, She made sure as a child I always had some kind of extracurricular activity, especially in art. She gave me art books when I didn't appreciate them, art supplies, got me enrolled in art camps, Saturday morning art classes. I wouldn't be the person that I am today, I don't think, without having a wonderful mother and father who raised me in my life. So all tributes go out to my mom, Annie Smith. I love you, and I thank you for everything that you've done for me. And I hope that any children that are watching this today, and I'm not just talking about the young ones, any ones that still have living parents, that you show them the love and respect that they deserve for what they have done for you. And believe me, it'll come back. It'll come back tenfold. I can't wait till I'm able to help my son to be a parent. And I enjoyed raising him, and I can't wait to experience being a granddad. Anyway, I just want to say to everybody out there, I want to tell all those mothers, have a wonderful Mother's Day. And if nobody tells you that they love you and they thank you, Mr. Smith is telling you now, moms, you are the best. And we could not be the people that we are without you. We need more mothers like you in our lives. So keep on doing what you're doing. I know sometimes it's thankless, but it's going to come back sooner or later. But we love you. We appreciate what you do for us. And there's nothing like the love of a mother. Please make sure that you watch my whole video. And if you can tell that I lost some weight, put it in the comment below. I would love to hear it. Watch the whole video, share it with a friend, come back and see me again. We're going to have another one coming up soon. And make sure you give mom some love for Mother's Day. Okay? Thank you so much for watching Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. And that's kids of all ages, young and old and whatever. All right. Take care. Happy Mother's Day!